naman, Belle.
Hello po, everyone. Hello po. Thank you so much for supporting, of course, Papa P and Kyle. This is something I'm really looking forward to. They've been talking to me about this film and I know they really put their hearts in this.
Correct. And of course, ako, very touching ang moment na to kasi Belle, talagang despite your busy schedule and despite the rain, talagang nandirito ka to support. Very supportive naman, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin si Belle Mariano. Ayan. Belle, ano naman ang masasabi mo dahil ito ay showing na tomorrow, September 24, ang The Ride na e-excite. Anong napipil mo ngayon?
Wait, gusto ko silang tanongin. Manonood po ba kayo?
Yeah!
Siyempre, sobrang excited po ako panoorin po ngayon. And I'm so excited na mapanood niyo din po ito dahil alam kong binuhos nila ang pagmamahal at puso nila sa proyektong ito.
Correct. Ako maraming salamat sa iyo, Belle. And of course, yung future mga projects and ongoing projects mo, invite mo rin sila ng bonggang-bongga na supportahan din ang isang Belle Mariano. Kahit napakarami mo ng supporters. At isa na ako doon. O, diba?
Ayun po, abangan niyo po ang meet, greet, and buy. Ayun po, sa cinemas na po yan November 12.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Once again, palakpakan naman natin the very pretty, gorgeous, beautiful, lahat na talented Belle Mariano! Wow! Ayan, thank you, Belle! Ayan na nga, at syempre, nandito na rin ang pinakang hinihintay natin, ano? Ang first palakpakan natin! Kyle and Shari, ating nabisa! Dapat yan! This one!
Oo, nandun na duman. Pumasok ka? Dito. Holding area ka dito.
Doing this kasi partner ka dito.
Gusto ko lang sana
Ayan. Thank you, Mr. MJ, ha?
Makulong yung dapat makulong.
We have to greet MJs for foreign, Felipe.
Yung sala, talaga magagalit yung mga tao, diba? Magagalit kami. And lahat tayo, mga Pilipino, pare-paras yung tayong nararamdaman. Lahat tayo galit. Lahat tayo, diba? Gusto natin nandun tayo.
Oh my God, a dear friend is here!
Thank you very much. Picturean ko lang kayo, please.
Chef from me, of course, ang M-Quest.
Alright. Thanks, Josh. Thank you very much. Nagabala ka pa, ha?
Hindi kompleto yung
Unang nagdala sa
family
akin
namin.
sa TFC, ayan.
Wala yung isa.
Okay lang.
Good evening. Thank you for being here with us. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you're in here dry with us. Thank you.
Papa-English na naman tayo. And of course, Kit Thompson!
Mag-English din ba ako?
Huwag na!
Thank you so much po sa oras na binigay nyo, and I hope you guys enjoy. And ayun, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Please stay as I call in our director, the very promising, another visionary, Direk Top Nazareno! Stay, Kit, Ian, please, Direk. Please greet everyone!
Hi, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kru. Magandang gabi.
Okay, syempre Direk, what was your last project prior to The Ride? We worked together sa ABS, no? Sa James K.
Yung I Want original series.
Correct. One of our successful series sa I Want. There he is. Uy, congrats! One of our certified blockbusters this year. 100 awit. Sandang awit. Please greet everyone, Kyle.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good evening po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa premiere namin. Ay, nako, we're finally doing this. Diba, correct? It's been 2 years. Wow, mahaba na yung buhok mo to. 2 years in the making na po itong The Ride, and I'm just super happy and super blessed to be able to share this with you. Hindi nyo lang alam kung anong pinagdaanan dito sa pelikulang to. This one is very close to my heart. Very close to my heart. Hindi nyo lang alam, and I just want to say I dedicate this film to my little sister, Isabella Ray Ichari. Very excited for you guys to enjoy this one, and sana ma-enjoy natin. Sana supportahan po natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Your number one fan, your mom is here, Tita Marie! Ay, surprise ba?
Hindi, no, I know. Alam ko. Hindi ko lang siya mahanap.
Baka meron akong nire-reveal masyado. Thank you and congratulations sunod-sunod ang projects mo. You're so blessed. I can never say no to him, I swear. The one, of course, my drama prince and the ultimate himself, Mr. Piolo Pascual!
Icon.
I'm too old for this, pero for you, I'm not. Okay, go ahead, Papa P.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Wow. Kasi it comes with a camo eh. Anyways, it comes with a camo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Anyways, maraming salamat. What's up, Don? Turtle!
I know everyone's here, Papa P.
Well, we're just so excited because finally the movie's coming out. Nung nagsimula kami ng pelikula, ganito pa lang si Kyle.
I know.
Buti na lang umabot. Akalain mo, mas tumangkad pa sa akin.
Requirement yata ng pelikulang ito, lahat ang tatangkad, look at them.
Kaya nga ako lumalayo eh.
Ikaw na yung pinakamaliit.
No, but anyways, muntik na makancel yung premiere because of the typhoon and I know we had to consider that. So thank you for taking your time kahit may mga baha, kahit may mga corrupt. Pinasok yung corrupt.
Si Mami involved sa mga comments. Si Mami sitok na. Si Mami ano.
Maraming salamat. Napapanahon yung pelikula natin not just because it's about what's happening in our country but also within our family, yung relationships ng pamilya natin, father and son specifically. So, maiksi lang yung pelikula but we want to be able to kind of send something to everyone. May mga choices tayo sa buhay natin. So, sana makapag-reflect tayo after ng pelikula. And ipagkalat natin, maganda o pangit, pagkalat natin para panoorin nila yung pelikula. Kasi maganda yung pelikula.
Of course!
Maniwala kayo sa amin.
Of course!
Maganda talaga, promise. Pero totoo po, ipapasalamat kami sa MQuest, Cornerstone, because we're backed by groups na naniwala po sa pelikula. And hindi naman tayo gagawa ng pelikula kung hindi natin correct, para ma-enjoy ng lahat.
You are the busiest actor of 2025? Yes! Grabe ano? Unbelievable. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm at a loss for words. Okay, join your co-actors there na. Joshua Garcia is here. Andito ang mga kapamilya mo sa Papa P.
Oh yes, I'd like to acknowledge of course my family from Meet, Greet, and Buy. My mom, Miss Maricel Soriano. Nandiyan si Inay?
Parating, definitely she's coming.
Wala pa si Inay. She's fashionably late. You know, Maricel Soriano. Hindi tayo magsisimula pag wala si Maricel Soriano.
I know.
Anyways, and of course my brother Josh Garcia and Bel Mariano. Palakpakan po natin. Come on, guys. And
the rock star, RC Munoz.
My birthday shake, Mona, RC Munoz.
Mona.
Love you, Mons. Love you, Mons. At sa buong pamilya namin dito, mga pamilya ko, mga kapatid ko, mga kaibigan ko, lahat nandito. Kasi para ma-assess natin kung gaano kaganda yung pelikula. Para may pagkalat natin.
Correct. Okay. Mami couldn't be here, nasa States, pero definitely supportive yan. Okay, you have something to say? Sige, go ahead, Kyle. Kyle, nakbo. Huwag kang umarte. Alright, please join your co-actors there bago tayo mag-officially start. Group photo muna tayo. Isang group photo. Direct top. Smile. Ayan, thank you sa mga media friends natin. Si Peter Dizon na Empress andito na. Ay, so yun na. Kasama sa Mansol. See you now. And of course, our cornerstone bosses, Jeff Badillo and Erickson.